everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Wirnadia. My ID number is A23120010. I am from class A, Management Education of Tadulako University. So guys, we will going to talk about quadratic equation and function. Alright, now we more talk into another section. This is it. First, quadratic equation. Second, the applied quadratic equation to life. Third, how to solve quadratic equation. So there is 3 ways to solve it: by factoring in, complete with a perfect formula, and using the formula. And then the next outline is quadratic function, and draw a chart of quadratic function. This is the fifth outlining quadratic equation and function. Next, first we need to learn about quadratic equation. What is that mean of quadratic equation? So, quadratic equation are an x equation in which the x is a variable containing 2. As for the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. For ABC is constant and x should not equals to 0. In quadratic equation, over A is the coefficient of x in section and B is the coefficient of x. Example, for x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. Then A equals 4, B equals 2, and C equals 3. Furthermore, quadratic equation can also be applied in daily life, like a rainbow shape. God's beautiful creation, what we see in this world, one of which is a rainbow. A rainbow of many colors is a beauty created by itself after the rain comes. As the saying goes, rainbow come after rainstorm, and so do the joys that come after suffering application. The shape of a rainbow resembles a dish or a curve. This suggests the one of God's creation can be applied in quadratic equation. Okay, next. Then, please look at the picture. Okay, can you see the picture? What do you see in the picture? Nice. It is the movement of a north ball and direction of ball kick. So, when an arrow is fired, the arrow forms a curve until it stops at the target. Hence, the direction of a shooting ball is one of the applications of a square equation in daily life. Okay, next. If you like to watch a game or play football, we can hardly escape the kick movement of a distant ball in which it forms a curve or a parabola. This move is also an application of the quadratic equation to the magnitude of the ball kick as the variables. Okay, next. How to solve quadratic equation? So, There are three ways, that is 1. By factoring in ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The quadratic equation can be started to be x minus x1 times x minus x2 is equal 0. The value of x1 and x2 is called the root of the equation squared. 2. Complete with perfect square. Complete with a perfect square, the quadratic equation of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 can be complete by turning into x plus v squared equals k. 3. Using the formula. Other than the square equation can be solved by using a formula like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay. Example: x minus 2 square equals x minus 2. Select the settlement set and using ways by factoring in, and answer x minus 2 square equals x minus 2. Then x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equals 0 minus 2. X squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 plus 2 is equals 0. Then x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, next. Then x minus 3 times x minus 2 is equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. X equals 3 or x equals 2. Quadratic functions. What is the meaning of quadratic function? So, the quadratic functions is an equation of variable that has the highest rank of 2. These quadratic functions are closely linked to quadratic equation. As for the general form of the quadratic functions, that is f(x) equals ax squared plus bx plus c, or y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and a should not equals to 0.
Draw a chart of quadratic functions. We know the graph of y equals negative x squared minus 5x minus 4. Find the point where the graph intersects on the x-axis. Answer: graph y equals negative x squared minus 5x minus 4 intersects the x-axis if y equals 0. So, negative x squared minus 5x minus 4 equals 0. Negative x minus 1 times x plus 4 is equals 0. Negative x minus 1 equals 0 and x plus 4 equals 0. Negative x equals 1 and x equals negative 4. x equals -1. So the point of intersection of the graph y equals -x squared minus 5x minus 4 on the x-axis is -1, 0 and -4, 0. Determining the intersection with the y-axis. Next, you note the feature of the squared functions of y equals -x squared minus 5x minus 4. The graph cuts the y-axis in -4, thus getting the square point of functions y equals -x squared minus 5x minus 4, color red, with the y-axis 0, -4. Similarly, with the chart squared yx squared minus 3x plus 2, color blue, functions, the graph gets the axis at 2 so that it can be said that the square point of functions of y equals x squared minus 3x plus 2, color blue, with the y-axis is 0, 2. Finally,
Okay guys, I think that's enough for my video presentation about quadratic equation and function. I'm so sorry if I wrong for taking the video or the material, but to be honestly, I am still learning, so thank you very much for your attention. I'm Lydia, say goodbye, and like I said